So since the Rubik's Cube competition, my 17 by 17 Rubik's Cube has been mixed up and it's going to be solved again, but not by me. It's Blake that's going to do this.
Heck yeah.
Good luck.
I'll need it, dude.
We're not going to do a full video, but we're going to time it and see how long he takes. And then he's going to do a very cool pattern at the end. Where's the three strip?
Right there.
Right there. Probably around 20 minutes in.
We're getting there.
And Blake actually has the 1x1 world record. He beat me. So on this is a timer I use to get all my cubes, scrambles, and solves. And somewhere here he has 0.01 second. Let me try to find it. Oh, right there. Row 59. This one. Touch. I can't even get 0.01 touching. Doing this. And Blake, 0.01 solving a 1x1 cube.
Yeah, I've been using that time.
Unofficial world record.
For a center. That
2
sucks.
hours. Woo! That looks nice.
Looks nice.
2 hours.
What's up, guys? Right now I have 2 centers done. I'm 3 hours and 18 minutes into this nonsense.
He's almost done. One more algorithm.
Yep. Oh my god. One more turn.
Come on.
There it is.
Hey.
Woo! Let's go.
He did it.
Woo! Let's go.
Pretty.
Look at that. Only 8 hours and like 20 minutes. That video was 3.5 minutes long. All right, let's say 4. 8 hours 22.
8 hours 22 minutes. 8 hours 22 minutes.
Let's go.
Yeah, Blake.
So high, dude.
It's good.
Alright, so, Blake, what are you gonna do again?
I'm gonna do an algorithm that I have to do 8 times on this cube. I just do one for each layer, and it will make it like swirl all the way to the center. Alright, so this pattern will be on 17 by 17 all the way to the center. Ooh. Alright. That's one. That's one. Alright, layer number 2.
6 more times.
That's fine. This is something great.
Three.
Alright, 4 little guys in.
Oh no.
Down.
It's good, or it's good.
L2, B2, U2.
Yeah. It's good.
That's it.
L2.
Oh.
B2. U.
Hold on. It's not good. So here, I'm at L2. I just did my down, right? Did I do the down? I had to have done the down. Hold on. I think I do left 2 first, right? No, it should be.
What did you do?
I don't know. Is this the orange center? The orange center should be. If I do left 2, then I do back 2, then I do up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It is an uh-oh, Nord. I think I have to go back. I'll get back, Simon, don't worry. I think, wait, is this right? Can't be right.
Uh-oh.
It's all Norbert's fault.
I called it.
Back to. Really dropped the ball, Simon. Here you go. There's the pattern. It's sick. I think I messed up right here. I either turned an 8th one or turned it the wrong way. I swear I just turned his 8th one back. So I like turned this once, and I can't find where I turned it once.